I'm going to read you a story called Duck in the Truck. This is the duck driving home in a truck. This is the truck which is taking him back. This is the rock struck by the truck, and this is the muck where the truck becomes stuck. These are the feet which jump the duck down into the muck, all yucky and brown. This is the frog who spies from the bush and croaks, "I'll help you, give it a push." Can anybody see the frog? Yeah, there he is spying, and there he is croaking. This is a push of a frog and a duck, and this is the truck still stuck. This is a sheep driving home in a jeep. "Get out of the way," he yells with a beep. This is the quack of an angry duck. "I can't," he snaps. "My truck is stuck." This is the quiet as they think what to do. "Got it," croaks Frog. "Sheep can push too." This is the slurp and squelch and suck as the sheep steps slowly through the muck. This is the push of a sheep, a frog and duck, and this is the truck still stuck. This is a happy, sleepy goat relaxing on his motorboat. This is the ear that hears the shout. "My truck is stuck in the muck and it won't come out." This is the rope, and here's the goat's plan: to tie a knot as tight as they can. This is the push at the rear once again, and this is the pull as the boat takes the strain. These are the wheels finally gripping, and this is the knot suddenly slipping. Pling! This is the truck with the engine on fast, back on the track, unstuck at last. This is the duck going home in the truck. Leaving the frog and the sheep and the goat stuck in the muck. The end. A story by Jess Albro.